Alright guys, so we are back in Harajuku and you're probably wondering why didn't we visit it on our first day? And yes, we did, but it was a weekend and it was so crowded that we could barely walk down Takeshita Street. It was just like a mass of people and we couldn't even go into the shops. So we wanted to come back in the middle of the week with a bit more time so we can browse the shops, go into the cafes, pick up a few souvenirs. So yeah, we're going to be giving you guys a little tour of Harajuku, showing you what you can buy here, what you can see, what you can eat. So let's get started. So I'm already seeing some really cute souvenirs. They have these wooden sandals. They also have cute like anime cartoon socks. So I think I may pick up a pair for my sisters. And yeah, just lots of cutesy stuff really. But I mean, we've only just entered, so let's browse a bit more before we actually pick up something. Sam has a very interesting taste in t-shirts. You want to show us what you got so far?
I love it, man. Look at that. Hello Kitty collection.
Matching shirts for the bros?
I don't know. I think we're gonna leave Sam alone on that one.
This is Sam's spirit animal. Guys, we have already found another cat cafe. This is the Moca Cat Cafe that we also visited in Ikebukuro. So they have a few locations across the city, including one here in Harajuku. Kawaii socks. I think I'm looking for something a bit more cartoony.
3 for $10.
Okay, another interesting thing about Harajuku is that they are all about the sweets, all about the sugar. You can get all sorts of treats, including these crepes covered in chocolate and fruit. Oh my. Except for the one savory one, which does not look appetizing at all. Yuck. So we were feeling pretty hungry, so we decided we're gonna go to the Kawaii Monster Cafe first, and then do a little more browsing and shopping around Harajuku later. And this cafe, I've seen photos of it online. It kind of looks like this fantasy world. It's super colorful and cartoony. So we're gonna see if we can find it and we'll take you in to show you what the food is like. So this is the building you have to look for, and the cafe is on the 4th floor. So this is what the interior of the restaurant looks like. Different rooms to choose from. We're being let in.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Alright. We are the first people here, by the way. Oh wow, this is it. Alright guys. We have made it in. We are the first ones here. This cafe opens at 11:30 in the morning, and I mean, we were the first ones in line. This is crazy. The lights, the colors. This is like Japan, kawaii. Let's go to our table. We're eating at the Disco Mushroom. So they just brought us the menu to the table. We have it here, very colorful as you'd expect. And the way it works at the Kawaii Monster Cafe is that you have to pay 500 yen to get in, and then once you're inside you need to buy a drink and you need to buy a meal. So it's not going to be a cheap experience because I mean most of the drinks are at like the $8 or $9 mark, and most of the meals are like $10 and plus. So yeah, not cheap, but I mean this is a super unique experience to have here in Tokyo, here in Japan. So I think it'll be fun. Arigatou gozaimasu.
We recommend the rainbow pasta and drinks menu here.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are the drinks. You can get all kinds of shakes and bright colors, cocktails that looks like milk tea, different fruity drinks. Yeah, this kind of looks like a lab. They call it the druggy cocktail experiment. And then when it comes to food, you've got some salads, some fries with like rainbow colored sauces, rainbow pasta, some steak, chicken. So a little bit of everything. Thank you.
Thank you.
So the food is here. I got the fries, monster fries or something like that with rainbow dip. So yeah, basically we've got some French fries with a little bit of dried parsley sprinkled over top. The red sauce is ketchup, the yellow is mustard, the green is wasabi mayo, the orange is cheddar cheese, and the blue is sour cream and onion. And I mean, it's alright. It's just fries with some dip. Definitely overpriced. But I think you come here more for the atmosphere and like
exactly.
the wacky wow factor.
Yeah.
What is this cat food?
Basically, this is like pieces of cereal, sugary cereal. We've got cotton candy on the very top. If you take a look down here, there's cotton candy. We also have little Oreo bits and what appears to be some different cereal and ice cream at the very bottom. So let's try that.
Interesting.
Let's try a bit of everything. Gonna get some of that.
Let's see how that tastes. It looks very sugary, that's for sure.
Oh man. Love the sugar to starting the day.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Now that we've left the cafe and paid the bill, which was around $40 by the way, I can honestly say it's not an experience you need to have here in Tokyo. It's overpriced, it's a little bit gimmicky. You'll get some cool photos out of it, but I mean, there's nothing really to the food. So yeah, I think it's a pass for us in retrospect. We could have done something else with our time and our money. Okay, I feel like I have to go into this shop just because it has my name. So the style here in Harajuku is kind of interesting. Like you have super girly dresses, like really frilly, but you also have goth stuff and like sporty stuff. So yeah, you can really find something, whatever your style is. I wouldn't call my style girly. I don't know, what do you think, Sam? What is my style?
In this particular neighborhood, no, you're not girly.
No.
No.
Here it's like girly is extra girly, extra frilly. But I do
Would you like to be extra girly?
No.
No.
No, I'm a bit too old for that. But I do see a lot of things I like.
I actually have too. I've seen a lot of t-shirts that I'm interested in. There's an Astro Boy one, there's a Batman one, there's like some other ones. Like I may end up getting a t-shirt before it's all said and done. You see anything you like, Audrey?
Well, I could use a few shirts, I think. Like something breezy for summer. Because I thought I packed a lot of shirts and I've been wearing the same thing a lot, so I don't think I did.
And here, you can be anyone you like. Check out these wigs. Can you picture me with purple hair?
Well, what did you think?
Yeah, it's interesting. I've never been in a shop like that, so yeah, there's a lot going on. You can get everything from wigs to dresses to fashion accessories. They had some pretty funky looking sunglasses too.
Not a whole lot for men.
No,
this was mostly a girls' cosplay shop. I am back looking at socks again. I'm picking princess socks for my sisters. The only thing is, these don't feel very comfortable. Like they're kind of itchy and scratchy, but they are cute.
Well guys, we hope you enjoyed our tour of Harajuku, mainly focusing on Takeshita Street. What did you think?
It was intense. Like what a fascinating street. My goodness, it really picks up as the day goes by. Like it keeps getting more crowded and more bustling, and there's so much to see and do. You have to be looking up, you have to be looking down. Your head needs to be on a swivel basically.
So that's it for now, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Ciao.